Hey everybody, welcome to Windsor again. End of July and 2026, we installed some plumbing. Here's a kitchen, 2-inch pipe, 2-inch vent, bathroom one. So we have, let me show you, let me just go inside. Sorry for the mess. This place for the toilet, 3-inch pipe and 2-inch pipe for the shower drain, shower valve. This is where the double sink is gonna go. All right, all venting up, ceiling, and there's a laundry, all hooked up and ready to go. And let me show you second bathroom. Place for toilet, shower valve, all installed, all connected. Place for sink, 3-inch vent pipe, goes to main stack, and under the floor, it's all gets hooked up, connected, and goes all the way to the corner towards the septic. Septic still in progress. You know, it's getting better and better. I got some fill, place for leach field, and hopefully we'll get it in maybe this month. So other than that, beautiful, quiet evening in Windsor. Stay tuned.